Good evening, YouTube. This is Spartan Grimlock bringing you another Shiny Zamazenta Premium Figure Collection pack opening. I picked up another one at our local game store, the End Game Center, where I picked up this lovely little play mat due to the suggestion of my friend Brent Jones. Anyway, as I've said before in the last video, the pack includes a Shiny Zamazenta card, a Shiny Zamazenta pin, and a Shiny Zamazenta figure. And you also get these pretty cool Shiny Zamazenta and Shiny Zacian card sleeves, which we will be using after our opening. Anyway, let's get into the pack opening. Last time we had the Shiny Zamazenta card. This is a little bit better picture of it. Still pretty cool. We have the Shiny Zamazenta pin. And we have the Shiny Zamazenta figure. Those are all still pretty cool. And then, of course, a little bit better pick of the sleeves. And then we also have our 11 packs of Crown Zenith cards. So without further ado, let's start opening these packs and see if we can't get some good stuff out of them. We got ourselves a Plant Energy. We have Rescue Carrier. We have Electric. We have a Luxio, a Yongoose, Riolu, Scyther. Sorry about the finger being in the way. Energy Search. Corphish. Oh, we got ourselves a Extended Art Goodra. Oh, and a rare Luxray. That's pretty cool. Got myself a little set of Shinx evolutions now. The V-Star card. We have Lost Vacuum, Electrike, Luxio, Galarian Meowth, Baltoy, Tangela, Ponyard, Snorunt, a shiny Ultra Ball trainer card for hollow foil, nice, and then a rare Blossom. Packs are so hard to open. We have ourselves a Water Energy, the Digging Duo, Luxio, Rapid Strike, Lost Vacuum, Galarian Mr. Mime, a Potion, Bidoof, Ponyard, Yanma. Oh, nice. We have an Extended Art Ditto card. That's pretty cool. Something new. And then we got a rare Executor. These commons out of the way. Another V-Star. So we've got ourselves Matang, Trekking Shoes, Solrock, Seal, Oddish, Larvesta. We got a Rapid Strike Shinx, Wailmer. Oh, nice. We've got a Suicune. Ultra Rare Suicune. That's pretty cool. And then we got a Heliolisk. That's pretty cool. I've got the Entei already, so the Suicune's pretty nice to go with that. We've got ourselves an Electric Energy, Trekking Shoes, Dusclops, Crushing Hammer, an Energy Search, Slandit, Oddish, Coughing, Sunkern. Oh, nice. This is my second Holo Aggron. Oh, whoa, and a Regigigas V. That's nice. And we got our Fighting Energy, our Soul Rock, Krokorok, another Rapid Strike Luxio, Kricketot, Chatot, Galarian Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Bidoof. Oh, whoa, VMAX Zeraora. Wow, that's nice. And then we got a Whale Lord Rare. We're not doing too bad on this one. So we got the Fire Energy, Friends and Hisui, Rescue Carrier, Lairon, a Snorunt, Larvesta, Tangela, Baltoy, Galarian Meowth, a Holo Foil Caesar. Nice. Oh, and then a Holo Foil Bay Trainer card. Nice. Very nice. We got a Psychic Energy, Lairon, Gloom, a Crushing Hammer, a Larvesta, Ponyard, Wailmer, Pokeball, Corphish, and of course a shiny Corphish after it, and then a rare Zora. Go figure, I get a Corphish after a Corphish, right? Metal Energy, Crushing Hammer, Ultra Ball, an Electrike. We've got Cherubi. We have Execute. We have our Rockruff, Purloin, Love Disc. Oh, whoa. Hackney VMAX and a V Zora. Whoa. Holy, that's unexpected. I got 2 Zoras out of this one collector box. That's pretty nice. Was not expecting that. That's actually a pretty good box. So we've got Plant Energy. We've got ourselves an Ultra Ball, Friends and Hisui, Lost Vacuum, Galarian Meowth, Energy Retrieval, Rapid Strike Shinx, Larvesta, Ponyard. We got the regular foil Raihan trainer card. I had the extended art last time. And then we have Gumshoes. Now we're on to our last pack of cards. Electric Energy, Luxio, Lost Vacuum, Electrike, Screlp, Heliotile, Wooloo, Shinx, Pancham. Oh, nice, a foil Scyther. And then a Berserker. So that actually wasn't bad at all. So just a little recap. We have ourselves the Zeraora V card. We have the VMAX Hatriny. We have the VMAX Zeraora. We got the V Regigigas. And then we've got the Suicune. Then for our shiny foil cards, we have the Scyther, the Raihan, the Corphish, the Scizor, the Bay, the Aggron, and the Ultra Ball Trainer card, as well as these two nice extended art cards, the Ditto and the Goodra. Hisuian Goodra, by the way. And then our rares was the Galarian Berserker, the Gumshoes, Zeraora. I'm seeing a trend with this pack opening, by the way. Whale Lord, Heliolisk, Executor, Blossom, and then the Rapid Strike Luxray. So yeah, we had ourselves some pretty good pulls from this box. Like before, I will have links to my eBay store below. So if there's any cards in here that strike your fancy, they will probably be up on my eBay shop. Also, I'd like to give another shout out to the End Game Center. This is an amazing pull video that we did today. Hoping for a secret rare, but I can't complain. I got a lot of good stuff out of here. But yeah, it's like, glad that you all decided to click today. Take a look and see what we got going on here. As always, any comments or suggestions you have, drop in the comments below. I can only get better if I know what y'all think I need to do to improve. And it is greatly appreciated. So yeah, and also if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button and smash subscribe if you haven't already done so. Anyway, y'all have yourself a good night, and I will catch you next video.